Now this is a lemonade, and this is made from fresh, real lemons, and it is made with sugar, syrup. I make the syrup and then I add the lemon juice. And for flavoring, I also add lemon zest. So you get that real lemon, that flavor. And this is very good in summers. Lemon is not acidic; it is an alkalizer. So, when you have this, you can have it in soda, you can have it like a cooler, you can make a mojito out of it. So, this is a ready made thing. You just add your soda, add your mint, you add your chaat masala, and you have your drink ready.